Yeah, good morning. It's Monday morning. It's about 7:20. We've been here since about 7. Thought I'd do a, this is what we're going to try to do today, recap on this pretty little train. I'm going to work on the electrical system. It's a ET, energy transfer, incredibly simple system, doesn't need a battery, has lights, and I've worked on a lot of ET stuff and a lot of different wiring diagrams. So theoretically, everything should work. Now, putting an electronic ignition on this would be incredibly difficult, so we're going to maintain the ET system with the mechanical points. It used to run good. We'll see how it runs when we get done. Kevin just set the valves, and I'm trying to break the clutch cable free of the handle right now. It's sort of jammed, and I'm going to adjust the carburetor cable. It seems tight. Little things like that. So here we are working on the bike this morning. Okay.